In the northeastern state of India, Sikkim, a susceptibility to a spectrum of natural calamities is observed. Recently, the region witnessed a convergence of geological and meteorological events, including landslides, cloudbursts, and floods, largely attributed to the distinctive topographical and climatic conditions prevailing in the area. Diligent measures are undertaken to ameliorate the repercussions of such calamities and safeguard the well-being of the populace. Consequently, a contingent of students hailing from Meghalaya found themselves stranded in Sikkim due to these exigent circumstances. In a recent development, Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh has apprised the press that a repatriation process for the stranded Meghalaya students in Sikkim is currently underway. The government of Meghalaya is actively engaged in seamless collaboration with the Sikkim government and local law enforcement agencies to ensure the secure retrieval of these students. A comprehensive array of arrangements has been orchestrated to facilitate their homeward journey, aligning with advisories issued by the Sikkim government. Presently, the students are en route to Shillong aboard state government-operated buses.
I'm yet to have the figures with me, but as we speak, these students are being picked up and they, based on the advisory that they should leave the state immediately, we have taken it very seriously, and we hope that within the next 2 to 3 days, the entire operation will be complete.
Bhagwan, how the government is bringing them by road?
By road, yes.
Okay, and by when this batch of people, citizens will start coming?
Well, depending on the weather conditions, also the road conditions. I mean, it's difficult for me sitting here because as you understand, the weather conditions are pretty bad. So there might be delays, but arrangements have been made, and the local police, the state police are in constant touch, and we hope to have them here within the next 2 to 3 days.